Try first. Don't just say, I can't. Try and find a way to do it.
We will exceed your expectations.
Nice to meet you. We are Omron.
Welcome to the Adopt booth here at SMT Connect. Delighted to be joined by Erhard Hoffman, who's the Managing Director. Nice to see you again, Erhard.
Nice to see you, Trevor.
So, a few changes since the last time we spoke. One of your biggest parts of your business is labeling. That was previously owned, I believe, by Nortec, but that was subsumed into CCI. Tell us a little bit about what happened there and how that is working for you.
Yeah, okay. So our long-term label supplier, Nortec in Israel, was acquired by CCL Design already almost a year ago. Mm-hmm. And so now most of the integration work is finished, and we are also now rebranding the products from Nortec to CCL. CCL is the largest label manufacturer in the world. And CCL Design is the largest manufacturer of technical labels in the world. Right. And so this gives us a much broader background than with just Nortec before. So we also phrase it like moving on from the specialist to the number one. So Nortec has always been a specialist for high temp labels, polyimide labels, and also for such labels for automatic placement. Mm-hmm. And we always combine this for our customers so that they have a one-stop solution with label feeders from Howard Davis and labels from Nortec. And now we have to learn to say labels from CCL. Yeah, and that is very good for us. Is very good for our customers. We have a great teamwork with also the other CCL factories. So also if a customer of ours needs clean room manufacturing, we can get that from another site. And also for different printing methods. Nortec has always been specialized on thermal transfer printing. Mm-hmm. And if you need better colors or more different colors, also color shifting from one to the other, that isn't really possible with thermal transfer printing, and with CCL we can offer that now as well.
CCL is really opened up the capabilities you can offer. They're a lot more responsive for customers' needs and this type of thing. Yes, so that's good
exactly.
news.
Yes, exactly. And they have also been dealing with automotive companies for a long time, have been certified by TS for a long time, and transferred that to Israel as well. So also from CCL Israel, we can now supply the labels also to automotive companies with all the certifications they need, with all the nice 8D reports and so on.
Makes life a lot easier, believe me. Now, turning our attention to another part of your business, Erhard, you're also producing spare parts to support some of the HF and HS series of SiPlace equipment. Can you tell us what you're doing there?
Yes, I mean, first of all, this part of the business has become even more important to us right now. It was always an expertise of us. We have quite a few service engineers who were previously employed by ASM, by the machine manufacturer, so fully trained engineers. And we offer to SiPlace users, as we put it, to keep their machines running. So we try to keep it simple.
Right. Yeah, there's a huge installed base in Europe of these machines.
Yes, there still is. Of course, there's a lot of SiPlace X and SiPlace SX users by now, but there's still a big installed base in the German-speaking area here, but also in the Eastern European countries where we are strong. And ASM had to announce to their users that they cannot fully support these machines anymore. So there are certain spare parts which they just don't have anymore. There is certain services which they cannot offer anymore, like to deliver an overhauled placement head to a customer and accept their defective head in return. This is, to the information that we have, not possible anymore to get the service at ASM. We still offer it. We did react to these informations and have a higher stock level of ready-to-ship parts now. Yeah, and coming back to your first question in this regard, so what we do to support our customers there on the spare parts side, what I ran into right now already is one service we offer is that we overhaul pre-owned equipment. We brand this as Renew. Then there's two more services we offer for the parts. One is we have a lot of premium parts. These are parts where we build up suppliers, manufacturers who manufacture these parts for us by our design.
You're manufacturing replacement parts for these systems?
Yes. Some of them are basically just replacing the original part, but some of them also have some enhancements included. And the third part is that we have a very big stock of original new parts. So we see out in the market some customers who say, well, we just have to keep using our machines for a couple more years. And there's others who say, we made the shift. We have all SiPlace X or Fuji NXT or I don't know what, and we are getting rid of our old HS, HF machines. And there we are very active in buying back such machines and also the spare parts packages these customers
So you're
have.
really seeking to establish yourself as the go-to person for replacement parts and maintenance on the HF and HS series.
Yeah, basically we have been in this position already, but now we are trying to get the word out to additional users we didn't serve before. We have the capacities, we have the parts.
Well, it's good to see you evolving as always, Erhard, and thank you for that update today.
Thank you, Trevor.